Hey guys, this is HP OfficeJet Pro 91208. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. I received a question. Someone asked how to print documents from computer to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your computer or laptop are connected to the same network. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to wherever the document you want to print out from the computer is. The document I want to print out is in download section. So go to File Explorer next to Microsoft Edge. So select File Explorer. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select where you have the document, where you save the document you want to print out. The document I want to print out is in the downloads. So select downloads. You go and look for the document you want to print out. The document I want to print out is PDF document, today's document, and this is the document here. 2 pages document. Now to print this document out, you select Ctrl P from the keypad, or you go on top and select the printer icon. So if you select Ctrl P, then the next thing you need to do is you need to scroll to the side from the left and select the printer. Make sure you select the correct printer. HP OfficeJet Pro 9120 is ready. You select on it. Now the next thing you need to do is select how many copies. Select pages. We want to print all pages, and we want to print this document colored. Select color. Then scroll down. The next is print on both sides. We want to print this document, print on both sides, long edge. Then you select more option. If you select more option, it gives you for you to select the correct paper. Is A4 paper. Now another thing is scaling. You select actual size or 100%. This is 100%. Or you select actual size. This is actual size. Now the next is for you to select page per sheet. And quality is currently in 600 dpi. The maximum is 1200 dpi. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. Very quick. So this is the document we printed out, double-sided, colored. Now I want us to print this document single page and black and white. You select Ctrl P again. You scroll down and change the color to black and white. Once you select Ctrl P, you select the color black and white, and also want to print this document single page. Instead of selecting double-sided, say select print on one side. Then select print. Now this document is going to print single page, black and white. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out, single page, black and white. We printed this out earlier, colored, double-sided. Another way to print documents from your computer to this printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. This printer and laptop are connected together via HP Smart App. So check HP Smart App. And this is HP Smart App, and the printer is showing us ready and also estimated ink level. Now to print your document, you select print document. If you want to print photo, then you select print photo, but you need to make sure you have the correct photo paper. What we have here is A4 paper. It's loaded. So select print document. Once you select print document, it will ask you supported file. Then you select OK. It will take you to your file. So you select documents where you have the document you want to print out. The document I want to print out is in downloads. So select downloads. And once you select download, then it gives you option for you to select the document. So double click the document you want to print out. Document here, 2 pages document. Now this document you want to print it out, portrait. You select portrait and paper size A4, plain paper. Quality, normal. You select how many copies. Then you scroll down. It gives you option for you to duplex printing. You select print. Duplex printing is also the same thing as print on both sides. Print on both sides, flip long edge. print all pages. You select more option. Once you select more option, it gives you option for you to select collected, 1 page per sheet, paper size, plain paper, main tray. Then you select OK. Then you select print. There we go. So this is the document we printed out from HP Smart App. We printed this out double-sided and colored. If you want to print photo, what you need to do is you need to change paper from this printer. So you need to bring out the paper tray and load correct photo paper you want to use. Once you load photo paper, then put the tray back inside, close it. It will also ask you, do you want to change the photo paper and etc. or modify? Select OK. So the paper we have here is A4 paper. Then you select print photo. Once you select print photo, then you go and look for the photo you have to print this out. But this is exactly how this works. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed.